Thank you for tuning in to another edition of What Library at Home. I'm Alexis Lawrence, your adult service librarian, and today we are going to look at making holiday luminaries for our fall crafting. Some of the things that you are going to need are mason jars. I found this at the Dollar Tree. This one is a color mason jar. I found a red one for the holidays. You can also find them at stores like Walmart, Target. You can get them in clear. You can spray paint them gold or purple or any color that you like if you're looking to make them a different color, or you can just go with clear. I like the holiday colors like the green and the red, so I'm going to be using these. What you're also going to need is the holiday silhouette, or if you wanted to do a Halloween silhouette. I'm going with Christmas because it's getting closer towards Christmas time. So I'm doing a silhouette with the houses and the snowman and the Christmas tree. So all you're going to do is cut out your silhouette. Once those are cut out, I tape it in a round circle, and then this goes into my mason jar. And once that's in the mason jar, you're actually going to trace the outline of this with a Sharpie. I start out using a fine point Sharpie to outline the tree and the houses and the windows so that I can get a more accurate design. Then I fill it in with the regular permanent marker Sharpie. Then I like the silhouette from Christmas tree with the Santa Claus and the moon and stars. I have that cut out as well, so I'll be using this once I'm done tracing the other one, and that will just go as my top layer. Let's get started, and I'll show you what it looks like to trace the outline of this in the jar. With the fine point Sharpie, what you're going to do is go through and trace the outline of each building. I'll get my snowman. After you've traced them all, you're going to start the windows and the doors. And then once that's done, you take it out. I put in a white background so that you can see what it looks like once everything has been traced out in your design. And this is without you shading everything in. Now you're going to begin to shade in everything with your permanent marker in black ink. So I'll show you what some of that looks like by me filling in the tree. And then you keep shading each area, tree, houses, buildings, and you'll keep going around and fill in each scenery until you're done. And then you'll add the next layer with the Santa Claus. You add on your next step, which is the top part of your decoration, which is the Santa Claus and the reindeer. You're going to go ahead and tape that in as well. And then you proceed to trace that to make the reindeer design. Again, I use the smaller one to trace out my reindeer. I'll show you a quick reindeer. You can see that I've quickly sketched some reindeer up at the top of my design. And I'm going to go ahead and fill my reindeer in. Now, as you can see, I have reindeer. It will look something like this at the end. I'll show you it looks better with the white paper background because of the light. And then you'll have your luminaries that will look something like this. You'll take your tea light, cut it on, and we have our holiday luminaries. I'll show you what this looks like once it's dark. So this is our holiday luminary craft. It's a nice craft project that you can choose tons of different Christmas silhouettes or other holiday silhouette backgrounds. Just have fun with it. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks again for tuning in to another edition of What Library at Home, and look forward to our other craft projects.